Let's discuss one more accumulator, average, or shortly AVG. Syntax is following, just $AVG, colon, and expression. Expression as usually refers to the field of the input documents. What this accumulator does? It takes all values of the documents inside one group and then calculates average value. So it sums all values and then divides by the quantity of the documents in the group. In such way, we will get average value. Example, average age, then accumulator AVG, and then reference to the age field of the input documents. In this example, resulting documents will have new field, AVG age, and it will contain average value among all ages inside each group. Okay, let's go on, and next we will look at the example and go to the shell and try this. See you.